Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUT School of Community Medicine. We are in the heart of summer, so what are we making today?
So we're making tzatziki. So it's a Greek yogurt dip. You might be familiar with this on falafel or, lots of, just using it as a condiment for lots of different things. Okay, so we're gonna make our own today. And we have some Greek yogurt, which you could use a soy or coconut milk based yogurt. And if you did that, I have to say I'd probably recommend adding a little more lemon juice to that because they can taste a little bit sweeter and not quite as acidic. But we do have this yogurt, and then we have some shredded cucumber, and that has been drained a little bit. So it's shredded. You can do it on a box grater or you can do it in a food processor, and drained and squeezed so that it's just not so watery. So that is going to get all mixed together. And then we have some fresh dill.
Yes, smells great.
And I know we talk a lot about things being interchangeable. You can do what you want, but this is the traditional. Okay.
So you do, if you want the traditional route, this is the way to go.
Right. So mint, dill, a little bit of salt and pepper, some ground cumin, olive oil, lemon juice, and some lemon zest would be delicious in there too. Oops, if you want it to be extra lemony.
And this is, again, it's the great alternative of just making those little healthy choices, healthy differences, like using the Greek yogurt, for example, instead of a creamy base. That would be more in fat.
Yes, and one of the great things about this is it's just really helping you incorporate more vegetables into your diet. So it's giving you a reason to eat vegetables because you're like, I like a carrot, but I like a carrot with a creamy dip a lot better, right?
Exactly. It, for some reason, just tastes so much better.
Right.
But you're right, you're getting more of your vegetables, or an opportunity to eat your vegetables in a more fun way, relaxed way, whether you're taking them to a party or whatever it may be this summer.
Okay, so this just all gets blended together. I mean, this is like super duper easy on TV. It's super duper easy in your kitchen too, but it takes a little more time because you are grating those cucumbers and squeezing out the extra liquid. But when you squeeze that out, be sure and save that and make some cucumber water for yourself.
Oh, great idea.
Right?
Because that just adds a little flavor to the water too that you should be drinking all the time.
Well, and we're trying to cool off, and those cucumbers, it's not cool as a cucumber for nothing, right?
Right, exactly.
Right. Okay, so this is all ready to go, and then you could just chill this in your fridge and it's ready.
Okay, so that was my other question. Like, does it need to chill for any amount of time, or you could serve it?
You could serve it as is because the yogurt is cold, but it is going to develop flavor if you leave it a little bit. A little bit of chopped garlic is also traditional. You could do that too.
To just let it set for a little bit and kind of meld together. Is that a word?
Yeah, that's right.
It's a word for today.
It's a word.
All right, let me taste it. I already know. It just looks so good. It smells good.
And so this is going to be a great accompaniment to like a grilled fish or grilled chicken, falafel, which are, you know, the fried chickpea patties. Very traditional.
Oh my goodness, it just, again, has that really fun, light, summery taste. Perfect for any meal or snacking.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Chef Val. As always, if you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.